Good morning. I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Jeffrey Cornwell at Merino Performance Motors. This way you can put a face to the voice as I do this video walk around. I'm going to go outside to the DBX and get started. Good morning. Jeffrey Cornwell here at Merino Performance Motors in West Palm Beach. I'm going to do a video walk around on our 2022 Aston Martin DBX. This is finished in the frost blue, absolutely stunning color. So we're going to just start. I'll do a little circle around it. There's really nothing negative I can point out on it. This paint color is absolutely stunning. One of the most beautiful DBX colors I've seen in a while. So like I said, I'll just do a quick little circle. It really isn't going to be a whole lot I can point out, but we'll get up, take a closer look at the panels and wheels and tires, and then we'll get to the interior. So looking across the front, you can see it's not rock pecked up. It's in very good condition. No scuffs here on the front lip. Come around here to the driver's side. You can see everything is good. There's no dings or scratches here on the front fender. On the front driver's side wheel, there's no curb rash. Tire tread's good. I'd say there's about 60 to 70% remaining. We'll go down the driver's side here. Again, there's nothing I can point out. There's no dings or scratches. Come down here to the rear wheel. No curb rash on the rear wheel. Again, just like the front, tires are about the same. 60 to 70% remaining, give or take. Again, you can see just absolutely nothing I can point out. Come around here to the rear. Nothing, no dings or scratches back here. Go around here to the passenger side. Take a look at the wheel again. Just like the other two wheels on the other side, I have no curb rash. No dings or scratches. Down the lower rocker panel, that's just a little. Oh, this is all PPF. There's PPF, paint protection film, on the lower rockers. That's just some stuff on top of the PPF. So it looks like got PPF across the rockers and there, which is nice to protect it from rock pecking along those areas, which these are prone to. Again, no dings or scratches. Front wheel, no curb rash. See the glass top is in good shape. There's nothing, no issues up there. All right, let's take a look at the interior. The interior on the car is in outstanding condition. See all the leather on the driver's door panels in great condition. Trim is in, it's not all scuffed up on the seats, and I apologize for the shadows with the sun. I thought we had some clouds coming in, but they're just not quite here yet. But you can see there's no bolster wear on the seats. The seats are in great condition. Steering wheel, no wear at all on the steering wheel. Top of the dash, a lot of these start pulling and shrinking. This one is not pulling or shrinking. Look at the center console. Everything looks good there. Nothing's scuffed up. Let's see. Pull up the exact miles here. You can also see I have no faults or warnings. The only thing lit up right now is that the auto start is disabled and the seatbelt light is on because there's no seatbelt on, and the car's in park. So we've got 13,233 miles as it sits. give it a couple revs. Revs are nice and smooth. There you can see we're in Palm Beach, Florida. This does have heated seats and air-conditioned seats. All right, take a look at the rear driver's side. See again, everything on the door panel is in good shape. Back of the seat is in great shape, and it's not scuffed up or marked up. All the leather back here is virtually like new. Pop the back here. See the cargo shade is here and intact. All the carpeting back here is nice. The sill's not all scuffed up. Like a lot of times people have had a lot of things in and out. You'll notice that those will get scuffed. This is in great condition. Let's see, under here, have your spare tire with the compressor to fill it, tow hook, and your jack. So it looks like everything's there as it should be. Go ahead and hit the button to close it. You can see it's closing as it should. Come over here to this side. Again, you can see all the leather on the door panel's great. The back of the passenger seat's not all scuffed up. It's in great shape. Again, the leather is just in outstanding condition in the back. Pano sunroof. Again, I apologize for the shadows in the sun, but hard to do this when the sun's out and don't have all shade. So, again, just like the driver's side, the passenger seat, that is a shadow, I promise. As you can see, the bolster's all in great shape. There's no wear. All the trim wood here is in great condition. It's not all scuffed up. All right, we'll take a look underneath the front bonnet at the engine. See, everything looks good in here. Everything's intact. Stickers are still in place. Everything here looks good. All right, I'm gonna do a quick spin around the block. See if we can get it up to speed. The air conditioner's blowing cold. 81 degrees here today, and it's mostly sunny, a little bit of clouds. All right, so let's see if we can get it up to speed. I'll get it up to about 55. There's the car's driving straight. It's not pulling. There's no vibration in the steering. Everything feels like it should. Braking. No vibrations or shimmying from the steering wheel during braking, so the brakes are good. Everything just feels like it should, nice and tight. Again, this is just a beautiful example. Love this color combination, especially with the limited production paint color, the light interior with the blue accents. Just a gorgeous car. So as you can see, it drives great. No issues at all. No warning lights, no check engine lights. Everything's good. All right, I actually got my cloud there for a few minutes, so I'll just kind of go quick interior again. You can see, since we don't have any shadows or the sun hitting it, just everything's super nice. No bolster wear on the seats. It's just super nice. Steering wheel again, no wear on it. Follow up with just one quick circle around the vehicle again. Now that the sun's not hitting it, you can see it's a little bit darker looking. But again, just absolutely beautiful example. Love the black accents on the side mirror and the side rakes. Now we got our sun back. All right, real quick, I'm going to show you who we are, what we deal in. We are, as you can see, Merino Performance Motors here in West Palm Beach, Florida. We sit here on the main drag through West Palm, which is Okeechobee Boulevard. We are the only independent exotic and high-end luxury dealer on this stretch. We sit kind of sandwiched between the Ferrari dealer that's 2 blocks down, the Mercedes dealer that's a block down, Lamborghini that's about a mile and a half down, McLaren's down a little bit further, Bentley and Rolls-Royce is just right down there. So we are the only independent that sits on this stretch. You can see what we typically deal in. We mostly deal in the exotics. We do a few custom type vehicles and specialty vehicles. Got a really nice MC20 in a rare color. You see older Aston Martin Vanquish in 06. We do a lot of Mercedes, obviously, Audi R8s. We do a lot of Porsche product. Got this 21 Turbo S. Got this Turbo Cab. McLaren 720. We do a lot of Ferraris. Again, more Porsches. New Z06 Corvette. Another Aston Martin. Got the Vantage there. We do a lot of Bentleys as well. Another DBX. This is the 707 edition, which is a limited, a little more limited special, more emphasis on the performance, but a very cool example, but quite a bit more on the pricing. So this is our front showroom. Our back showroom, which is climate controlled, is back here. Again, just kind of show you some of the stuff we deal in. Just got this beautiful Rolls-Royce in yesterday. Got a Ferrari 812 Superfast. A few more Bentleys. Ferrari 360 Spider with a very rare manual gated transmission. Resto Mod 65 Corvette. Got a Resto Mod Roadrunner. Got an abundance of Resto Mods in here right now. This actually has a Hellcat, modern Hellcat engine in it. Kind of a special commemorative build, 2004 Corvette. Basically, it is a new, it's a 04 car, but with a C1 body on it. This is another Resto Corvette, another Ferrari 599. So anyway, kind of see what we deal in.